Agak! Alang ka na agak! Kain na!
Anthony Rose!
Anthony Rose! Pichanga!
Anthony Didi.
Patutuya! Yan, nandito sa squad.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for the last moment, we would like to read the third Busoli Bancari sponsors once again to inform all the people of Busolian that Busolian Island are really very accommodating island that we have known, and of course an excellent and a beautiful island in Taliban, Busolian. We would like also to thank our sponsors. Free pieces polo, new Seaman Trade, 1 engine launching and 30 pieces jersey. Kagawa GP Flori sound system, motor trade Taliban, 2 pesos start play. Our LSF Foods House located at Taliban, Bohol. Our major sponsor, Money Brian, 5,000 pesos. Alcohol, 3,000 pesos. And of course, for the other sponsors receive money. Thank you so much, Kagawad. Or, I mean, Barangay Captain, Edith Ivado. Kagawad Mark, 2,000 pesos. Congresswoman Banban Amentaro, 2,000 pesos. Gali Ivado, 1,000 pesos. Gal Chuck, 1,000 pesos. Noel Ivado, 300 pesos. John, 500 pesos. Jacqueline Garcia, 1,000 pesos. Christina, 1,000 pesos. Uncle Doming, 500 pesos. ABC Gerald, 2,000 pesos. John, 500. Kagawad RG, 1,000 pesos. ML Algis, 500 pesos. Teresa Tanleon, 2,000 pesos. Emelda Ivardi, 1,000 pesos. Joya Ivardi, thank you so much for the sponsors. And of course, Kagawad Rufu Abala, thank you so much. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, we would like also to our major sponsors, to our new Seaman Trade and MG Machinery Supply, the new Seaman Trade and MG Machinery Supply will be the first placer, Francis 10 horsepower with Pala and with Tourist. Of course, long pressing horsepower with Tourist for both the basket and everything will be received.
Makina.
Ipaunin nyo na yung tungkad.